Welcome to this week's offering. Today's practice will be the most simple that I've offered, and I'm offering that because today I am feeling like I'm being tossed around by my emotions based on the moon cycle, and I need something that is easy to go to, that's going to bring my left side, my right side together and align me in the center. This is a gesture that is often done on a yoga mat and also done in meditation practices. And we're going to use our hands. So it's the Anjali Mudra, and it looks like this. So it's that namaste gesture. So let's do it together. And if you want to take a moment, just wherever you are, you can be standing or sitting. And you're going to close your eyes for a moment. Take a couple of breaths. And then I'd like you to bring your awareness to your right side, to your left side. And as you inhale, bring the palms together at your heart center and allow the thumbs to rest on your sternum. And breathe here, feeling both hands pressing gently against each other. And as you breathe with the Anjali Mudra, come to your right, come to your left, and be in the center. And now bow your head down towards the tips of your fingers, acknowledging and being humble. And then you'll release the hands and you can have a look at me once again. I offer this simple practice today to invite you, to remind you that it doesn't have to be complicated, and something like this in your car or in the bathroom or wherever you are is really actually quite simple, and you can just take a moment and take those breaths, feel the right and left together, and find your center. And I know just by doing that right now and sharing that with you today, I'm feeling much more at peace and balanced. So I hope that you give that a go. And if you are watching this, please make a comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build my channel up to reach more and more people and to be able to customize it. So I would love to have you subscribe, which would be wonderful. So take care, and I'll see you next week.